What's the meaning of Blackpool? Blackpool. Blackpool.
Blackpool. Blackpool. Blackpool is a coastal town and borough in Lancashire, England. It is one of the most popular seaside resorts in the United Kingdom, known for its entertainment offerings such as amusement parks, theatres, and nightlife. The town's iconic landmark is Blackpool Tower, a 158-meter tall observation tower inspired by the Eiffel Tower, which offers stunning views of the coastline. The name Blackpool is thought to have originated from a stream that ran through the area, called Blackpool. In the 19th century, the town became a popular destination for British working-class families seeking a holiday by the sea, and it remains a popular vacation spot today.